Here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another video on My Lead Gen Secret, but this one is going to be how to find your My Lead Gen Secret affiliates email addresses step by step inside the system. So if you had someone sign up to your My Lead Gen Secret and you can't find their email address to contact and reach out to them and get them into the private Facebook group, this video will help. So stay tuned and let's get on with this. So here I'm on My Lead Gen Secret. So if I log in, and you'll see here my leads. So if I tick this top box here, and it'll tick all the boxes for you 200 leads a day and on every page. So you can download all leads from all pages or download my leads from this first page. I want to click here, download all leads from all pages. Just wait a second. Don't know how the internet is this morning. Pretty good by the looks of it because it's downloaded them. I won't log out just yet. Come off my computer. No, actually, don't have to come off my computer, do I? Come over to apps, step by step, Google Drive. Most people will have this on their computer. Sorry guys if I sound a bit throaty and chesty, got a bit of a snotty nose and a chest infection. If I come over to upload files, and it will open up my downloads, and I've got a leads CSV file right here. So click that and it'll open and it will upload them here. You'll see them pop up in a moment. So they've uploaded. Now I can right click on this one where it says lead CSV, right click, and I've got two options here. Preview. Next one down, it's open with, and then it opens another drop down menu, and this is where you go onto Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets and it will open up Google Sheets, and this is where it becomes fun. You just see how many email addresses, how many people you've got. It's crazy. Let that load for a moment before I go back to My Lead Gen Secret, just to grab somebody's name, to show you that it's quite easy to find a affiliate in a business opportunity if you struggle to find someone. So if I come over to my affiliates in here, make sure that video don't play. My affiliates in this group, I'll grab this person's name, Casey Pula. Now I can log out from that now, so I don't need that again. I'll come over to Google Sheets. All I have to do here now, guys, is press Control and F, and it brings me up a thing over here, find a sheet. Paste Casey's name in there, give it a second. If it doesn't find her with a full name, which it hasn't, as you can see there, it's done a search and hasn't found nothing. Scroll down. Hasn't found Casey Pula. So the first time I did this, I was quite concerned. I thought, oh no, how am I going to find her? But then if you think, right, what I do is I just bring this back, get rid of her first name, and then watch. There you go, guys. So if I scroll up, all I've done was get rid of her first name, and there she is. And there's her email address. So that is how you find your My Lead Gen Secret affiliates that have come into the system that you can't find their email addresses. That's how you do it with Google Sheets. So I hope you enjoyed that video today, guys. If you got value out of the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also go ahead and subscribe, because I'm documenting my journey through My Lead Gen Secret on my YouTube channel here. So if you're in My Lead Gen Secret and you need any tips or tricks or email swipes or anything, and help with anything else, just drop a comment in under the video description and I'll get back to you with what I know. So if you're not in My Lead Gen Secret and you want to know what it is, it's a product that gives you 100 to 200 business seeker leads every day for $30 a month. And these leads are people that are looking to make money online with whatever opportunity you want to put in front of them. You don't have to sell My Lead Gen Secret to them. You could sell a JVZoo product, an Amazon product, a ClickBank product, a health and wellness product, anything you want. That's what My Lead Gen Secret does. All it does is put 100 to 200 business opportunity seeking leads in your back office every day for $30 a month. Anyone that's run solo ads will know that solo ads are quite expensive and they don't guarantee sales, they're just clicks. So if you want to come out and try, My Lead Gen Secret, leave a link in the description. There's also a blog post in there, and there will also be a testimonial, 30-day, 60-day, and I think it's just over half a year update testimonial from Steve Dawson, a man from the UK that came into My Lead Gen Secret and has absolutely smashed it out of the water. So go check out them videos, guys, the blog post and a testimony from Steve Dawson. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. It's much appreciated. Sorry about my sore throat. Sound really croaky this morning. But like I said, wherever you are in the world, guys, watching this video, please follow your government's advice, continue to follow your government's advice and stay indoors, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.